I've got a surprise for you guys. Okay, ready? Check out my shirt. Disco fever. Hello to all my amigas and pals. Welcome back to my channel. Today is New Foundation Friday, and I'm going to be testing out a new foundation. It is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. It comes in this great little 1.6 fluid ounce container, which is not bad in regards to all the other foundations that I have. Like, for example, like this Bite one, I want to say it's like $32, $36. And it's only 1 ounce. This is 1.6 and it was $40. So, you know, I thought with Dior it'd be a little bit more expensive. It obviously already is, but for the amount, it's not bad. It's kind of worth the investment if you end up trying it and liking it. So, on Sephora, it says this is a foundation for the face and body in a wide range of shades with a natural finish and medium buildable coverage that's waterproof and sweat resistant. So I got it in the color 2 neutral, and I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so I got this little sample a while back from Sephora, and it's a little tiny teeny version of the Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. So I figured, why not? I'm ride or die for my own primer, but I figured since this is new and they probably work well together, why not try the sample? I have never tried it with anything else. So, I just like added the sample to my cart, but I've never really used it because I'm so in love with my own primer. But we're gonna try it today. All right, so, whoa! That is like fragranty as hell. Like, it kind of smells like old lady perfume-ish, you know, like that kind of fragrancy. Wow, it's a lot. It's not bad, it's just like, it's very potent. Wow, this primer, it feels like, it almost makes it feel like it made my skin have no texture or bumpiness. Like as if I have no pores. I mean, I could see a little bit here, but it feels so smooth. The way that it dried. Wow. It's just really, feels like I put perfume on my face because it's fragrancy, but it feels really nice. Okay. Let's see how to apply this baby. 3 ways to wear it. So like I said, it's a buildable coverage. So for the light nude coverage, use your fingers, gently dab 1 layer of foundation and massage into face. For medium coverage, apply 2 layers with a flat brush, and then full perfection coverage, a round brush, and apply up to 3 layers, obviously. So let's go ahead and try 1 layer, and we shall go from there. Shake it up. It's really cute packaging. So chic. All right. And it is a little squeezy tube, like that. Let's just go ahead and put some on the hands. We'll just start off with a little, warm it up. The consistency of this is very similar to its primer because it feels like it's like drying and smoothing out my face like what I felt that the primer did, and I don't really know how I feel about that because I don't know if like it makes me feel like I can't kind of like work it into my skin because it's like already getting stuck. But just for the makeup girl in me, I'm going to build up this coverage, and since it's for body, I'm gonna use it on my neck because this is like self-tanning gone wrong. I actually don't even know what the heck that's from, but I had like tried to self-tan a couple days ago and I don't think I did my neck very well. So we're gonna use this to kind of cover that and build up the coverage. So let's put a little everywhere. Well, that fixed it right up. That's great. So I just switched up the brushes because I feel like this is like my tiny nude sticks brush. This is my cosmetics one, and I just wanted to, I felt like I was working hard using this little one, and since I feel like it's already kind of tight on my face, I don't want to be like pulling apart the foundation, but it seems to be working well with this one. Okay, so for 2 layers, I think that this looks really, really, really nice. Like, it looks like skin, but it also looks like matte and natural and even toned. And it even looks like I have no pores. And I don't know if that's the primer or the foundation, because honestly, to me, the foundation, applying it on, it also feels like a primer, if that makes sense. It almost has like that feeling to where, you know, primers that are meant to fill in your pores and they leave your skin feeling like smooth, or I like want to use the word dusty, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me, but that's kind of how my skin feels right now. So I don't really know how I feel about adding powder to it, because I feel like it already looks like super matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shiseido concealer, Synchro Skin Refreshing Concealer. Okay, so that concealer definitely works well with this foundation. Wow, I'm like really, I'm shocked. This is like, I'm like at a loss for words right now. This looks incredible to me. And I haven't even finished the rest of my makeup. Like, my skin looks beyond healthy, and I mean, you saw I only put like 2 layers, and I feel like it looks like matte, but not in like a cakey way. Like, my skin just looks so, it looks so natural. I mean, you could still see like my dark spots, but it like evened out the skin tone of my face. I am like beyond shocked right now. I can't even put the words together. I feel like my skin looks beautiful with 2 freaking layers of tiny drops of this, like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will continue to give you my thoughts on this. I'll be right back. You guys, I am like stunned. I'm literally at a loss for words. I feel like my face, I feel like I look like a doll. Like, my face looks like perfect. I don't think I've ever felt this way about any foundation. Like my skin literally, or maybe it's that I don't like wear like matte foundations as much anymore. But this isn't a matte foundation. It's just like the way that it's set. I ended up using my cream products, which I was a little bit worried about at first because, like I said, the way that it was setting onto my face, I feel like it's like, okay, it's not gonna move. And it already felt kind of, not dry, but like dusty, like how I said before, I don't know. It's like matte. So I didn't put any powder. I only put powder to set my concealer, but everywhere else I was like, okay, I'm not gonna put powder because I don't want it to look too matte. I feel like it already looks like that, but it's like a healthy matte. And so yeah, I went to go add my cream products, cream blush, cream bronzer, and I thought that even with a brush, like it was gonna separate it, but it did not. Oh my god, I feel so beautiful right now. Wow. My skin, like, I feel like it looks so fresh and tight. Like, I feel like I just got Botox. Like, I don't know if it's the primer or the foundation. That's the only thing that kind of sucks, because I'm like, dude, I have like no lines, like no smile lines, like no forehead lines. What is going on? Oh my god, I feel... Alright, like every foundation, I'm going to wear this all day and see how it goes. Alright, right now it is 3:48, so almost 4 o'clock. That means I'm gonna wear it till 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna wear it till midnight and just see how it goes. But dude, check out this makeup in the natural light. My skin looks airbrushed AF. Like, but it's definitely a full coverage because this is like too perfect. All right, everybody, I am back. It is now midnight and I have had this on for a good 8 hours. And let me tell you, I am beyond thoroughly impressed. I went outside, I had a whole photo shoot, took a bunch of pictures. I kind of sweat a little bit and I rubbed my forehead, but I also had my cream bronzer up here, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it moving, but everywhere else it has not budged. I do want to say that I think that the Dior Face&Body primer might have helped with the fact of the appearance of my pores, because the one that I use, my Cover FX one, it's just mattifying and like an acne treatment one, but it does not fill in the pores like this one says to do. And I feel like that attributed to a lot of the reason why like my face still looks flawless right now, like at midnight. I am more of a light or medium coverage kind of girl, and I feel like with 2 layers of this, for me, it is like a full coverage. So if there are any of you girls that are looking for a fuller coverage makeup, I would absolutely, definitely try this one out, because I mean, I'm honestly beyond impressed that it's midnight right now and my face still looks photo shoot ready. Maybe that's why it's literally like Dior Backstage. I am beyond happy with this. I think it's definitely worth the $40. I love that you could use it on your face and your body as well. So if you're looking to try it out, I definitely would, because I feel like a movie star right now, and I didn't even put powder on the rest of my face. I think that's why it's so crazy that I still look this good and I didn't even set the rest of it. So definitely try it out. Alright guys, and that is it for today's New Foundation Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you next week.